Calathea Network or Musaica has a botanical name, Calathea vela. The name derived from its leaves as it looks like a network or a mosaic. This plant prefers high humidity. Humidifier will be the best solution, or put them next to a bathroom window if you live in a dry area. Place this plant somewhere with indirect sunlight and water this plant when the top 1 to 2 inches is dry. Remember that this is a rainforest plant and technically sensitive to water quality. Let the top water set overnight and use it to water the following day. Spring and before summer is the best months to fertilize this plant. This diva plant is pet-friendly, therefore is a non-toxic. Calathea Network might be a little finicky, but once you get a hand of it, it will thank you for making your home a lovely place. Good luck and enjoy your day, plant lovers. God loves you and so do I. Be safe out there, everyone, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now!